Hello everyone. Today let's look at importance of managing money the smart way. Meet David. A lot of people think he's reckless with his money. He travels, eats out at fancy places, and pursues his passions without worry. But what if I told you that David might be the smartest spender among us all? Even David's father is worried. He once asked David if he has ever thought about the future, like saving for a house.
Dad, I hear you. But just because I spend doesn't mean I'm not saving. I just have a different plan for life.
David once read Dave Ramsey's The Total Money Makeover. It taught him the value of avoiding debt and living frugally. But he didn't want to sacrifice living fully to follow it to the letter.
Man, what if you lose your job? Shouldn't you be saving more?
You're right, John. But I'm not putting my life on hold out of fear. I believe in planning for today and tomorrow.
What nobody sees is that David isn't reckless. Inspired by Dave Ramsey's lessons, he automatically saves 20% of his income for emergencies, invests 15%, and lives on the rest. His secret? Planning for the future without missing out on the present. One day, a news headlines about layoffs at David's company strikes the whole town. David's friends are panicking over the news. While his friends panic, David stays calm. Thanks to his planning, he has an emergency fund and investments that give him flexibility.
Oh, David, I thought you were being reckless, but you're handling this better than all of us.
People confuse living fully with being irresponsible. I just make sure I never spend without saving first.
On a casual dinner gathering, David calmly presented travel tickets for his parents.
You taught me to plan for the future, Dad. I just decided to live fully today, too. I spend meticulously, while always saving and investing to achieve my long-term goals. I always prepare myself for such events. I have already been offered a new job, thanks to the constant upgrading of my skills.
David's story reminds us that life isn't just about saving for a distant future. It's about planning smartly and living fully today. With financial education, we can plan well and still live well. You only live once, so make it count, both spiritually and financially. Adopting financial lessons doesn't mean you are sacrificing part of your life. So, if you found this inspiring, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing lessons. Let me know in the comments section below if you want to live life like David. Follow my other videos if you want to get inspired by more stories.